Located in Cancun, 1.3 miles from San Miguelito Beach, Now Emerald Cancun features accommodations with a restaurant, free private parking, an outdoor swimming pool and a fitness center. With a bar. The 5-star resort has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. The accommodations provides a 24-hour front desk, room service and currency exchange for guests. The resort offers a continental or buffet breakfast. Now Emerald Cancun offers a children's playground. You can play billiards, table tennis and darts at the accommodations, and car hire is available. There is also a business center and a kids club on site. La Isla Shopping Mall is 5.6 miles from Now Emerald Cancun, while Coco Bongo is 6.2 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Cancun International Airport, 6.2 miles from the resort. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.